Lovely students, I hope you are fine and safe at home. So today we are going to learn chapter 6, The Great Escape, part 2. Please watch my explanation carefully and do all the exercise given below. Thank you and be safe at home. The Scarecrow said, "This tree is very close to the ditch. If the Tin Woodman can chop it down, it will fall to the other side and we can walk over it." "That is a great idea," said the Lion. "One would almost think you had brains instead of straw." Now, the Scarecrow said that this tree is very close to the ditch. So when they crossed one ditch and then they saw another ditch and then they saw a tree there. So the Scarecrow said that this tree is very close to the ditch. So if the Tin Woodman can chop the tree and when they chop the tree will fall that side of the ditch. Okay, like it will fall on the ditch, so they can cross the ditch, they can walk on the tree and cross the ditch and go to the other side easily. So the Lion said, "Wow, this is a great idea." The Woodman set to work and chopped the tree. Then the Lion put his front legs against the tree and pushed it slowly. The big tree tipped and fell with a crash across the ditch, with its top branches on the other side. Now children, the Woodman started chopping the tree. While the Woodman was chopping the tree, the Lion went and with his front leg pushed the tree, and the tree fell with a crash across the ditch with its top branches on the other side. So as the Lion went and pushed the tree fell to the other side of the ditch. They had just started to cross the bridge when a sharp growl made them all look up. They saw two great beasts with bodies like bears and heads like tigers running towards them. Now they had just started crossing the bridge when they heard a sharp growl, okay? And they all looked up. Now they heard some sound and they all looked up. As they looked up, they saw two great beasts. Okay, and the body was like bears and heads like tigers, and they were running towards them. The Kalidas said the Lion, beginning to shake with fear, "Stand close behind me. I will fight them as long as I am alive." Now the Lion said, "Those are the Kalidas." Okay, so he said, "Don't get worried." Who he said? He told the Scarecrow, Dorothy, Tin Woodman. Okay, he told all of them to stand near him and he will fight with them. Okay, he will fight with them and he will save them. Lion turned to face the Kalidas and gave out a loud and terrible roar. Out of fright, Dorothy screamed and the Scarecrow fell over backward. Now when the Lion looked at the Kalidas and gave a loud and terrible roar, Dorothy got scared and she screamed and the Scarecrow fell backward. The Kalidas stopped and looked at the lion in surprise. But seeing they were bigger than him, they rushed forward and began to cross the bridge. "Hurry up!" cried the Scarecrow. "Let us cross over." Now the Kalidas stopped and was looking at the lion. Okay? And the lion realized that the Kalidas were bigger than him. So the lion told the others, "Let us cross the bridge quickly." And the Scarecrow said, "Hurry up. Let us move from here. Let us go." 4 of them crossed the bridge as quickly as they could. Once they reached the other side, the Scarecrow asked the Tin Woodman to chop away the end of the tree that was on their side of the ditch. So the 4 of them crossed the bridge quickly. Okay, they crossed the bridge quickly. And as they crossed the bridge, the Scarecrow told the Tin Woodman to chop away the end of the tree. Okay, like there was the ditch, and on the ditch the tree fell. So they crossed the ditch, and the Scarecrow told the Tin Woodman to chop the tree so that the Kalidas don't cross the ditch and come towards them. "Quick!" cried the Scarecrow. The woodman began to use his axe at once. The Kalidas had almost crossed the bridge when the tree fell with a crash into the ditch along with the beast. So the Scarecrow told the Tin Woodman to chop the tree, and while he was chopping, the Kalidas were crossing the ditch. So the Tin Woodman started chopping it quickly, and before the Kalidas could reach towards them, the tree was chopped and the Kalidas fell in the ditch. "Well," said the lion, drawing a long breath of relief, "those creatures frightened me so badly that my heart is still beating." "Ah," said the Tin Woodman sadly, "I wish I had a heart to beat." So the lion said that those Kalidas frightened me. Okay, they frightened me. My heart is still beating. The woodman said very sadly that I wish I had a heart too. The 4 travelers kept walking until they could see a yellow brick road and green meadows on the other side of a broad river. Soon they saw a delightful country before them. So the 4 travelers kept walking until they could see yellow brick road. Okay, they saw a road with yellow bricks and green meadows on the other side. Now children, what is meadows? Meadows is a piece of grassland. Okay, a land with grass. So they kept on walking and they reached to a delightful country.